Composite functions are functions that are applied to another function. It can be denoted like this: f of g or f gx. Now, the order of the letters matter. F of g means to first apply g to x to get gx, then apply f to the previous output to get f gx. Always start with the function closest to the variable. Let's look at an example to see how we would write it out. Given fx is equal to root x plus 4 and gx is equal to 3 plus 2x, write down the expression for f of gx. So f of gx is equal to f gx. So now we can plug g into f. So 3 plus 2x, and then we'll write out root 3 plus 2x plus 4. So that would be f of gx. Now, how do we find the domain and range of a composite function? Let's walk through an example to understand this. So consider the composite function f of gx, where fx is equal to x squared minus 4, gx is equal to root x plus 3. First, we'll find the domain of gx. The domain of gx is the set of all x values for which gx is defined. In this case, the square root function is defined for non-negative numbers, so x plus 3 must be greater or equal to 0. Now, solving for x, we get x is greater or equal to then negative 3, so that's the domain of gx. Second, we'll find the range of gx. The range of gx is the set of all values that gx can take. Since gx is equal to root x plus 3, the smallest value of gx occurs when x plus 3 is minimized, which is x is equal to negative 3. As x increases, gx increases as well. Therefore, the range of gx is all non-negative numbers. Third, let's evaluate f of g. So now let's substitute gx into fx. So gx is equal to f plus 3, which is x plus 3 squared minus 4, which is equal to x plus 3 minus 4, which is equal to x minus 1. Now we can find the domain of f of g. The domain of f of g is the same as the domain of gx, which is x is greater to or equal than minus negative 3, because it inherits the domain of the inner function gx, and the values of x that can be used in f gx must also be valid inputs for gx. Finally, we can find the range of f of g. The range of f of g, being all real numbers, is a property inherited from the linear function f gx is equal to x minus 1, which can produce any real number as its output for any valid input.
Please like and subscribe, please.